Your lesson essential question is, how do we find the area of an irregular shape? So we're going to be looking at area today of irregular shapes. The word irregular means not regular. So if you take a look at these irregular shapes, you can tell they're not your basic squares, triangles. They're shaped a little differently. Let's take a look at one. Mr. Fox is covering a miniature golf course with green artificial grass. Each artificial grass square is 1 foot. What is the area of the putting green that Mr. Fox needs to cover? Before we talk about this problem, I want to let you know the word artificial means fake. So he's covering his putting green with fake grass. What is this problem asking us to find? The problem's asking us to find the area of the putting green. What information is going to help us solve this? You probably noticed the information that's going to help us solve it is not actually in the word problem. It's over here in the picture. And we can see all the measurements of the different parts of this irregular shape. Now, I'm looking at this shape and I can see that this side is the same size as this side. So I know that because this side is 8 feet, this side is also 8 feet. Now looking in here, I can see that this is 4 feet, which lets me know this is also 4 feet. Can we make smaller shapes that are part of this bigger shape? Take a look at this shape and think about that question for a second. Looking at this shape, I do see that we can make 3 rectangles out of it. Now, I know how to find the area of a rectangle, so all I have to do now is find the area of each of these rectangles and then add the areas together to get the area of the entire shape. So I've made 1, 2, 3 different rectangles. We're going to make this rectangle A, we'll make this rectangle B, and we'll make this one C. I see that right here it tells me this is 8 feet. Well, knowing that this side is 4 feet, I know that this side is also 4 feet because it is a rectangle. So if this whole thing is 8 feet and this is 4 feet, what would this bottom part be? This bottom part is also 4 feet because 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then over here we have the same thing. So if this is 4 feet, we know this is also 4 feet. Four plus 4 equals 8. Now we're ready to solve it. So rectangle A, we have 4 feet and 3 feet. So we're going to multiply 4 times 3. Looking at rectangle B, same thing, 4 times 3. What would our problem be for rectangle C? Four times 8. Take a second and solve 4 times 3. Four times 3 is 12. So again, we have 4 times 3 in rectangle B, so it's 12. Go ahead and solve 4 times 8. Okay, 4 times 8 is 32. So now that we found the area of each of the smaller shapes, we need to add them together. So we're adding 12 plus 12 plus 32. I know that 12 plus 12 is 24. So now I need to add 24 plus 32. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I've added the area of each of the smaller shapes to find the area of the larger irregular shape, and I got 56 feet. So what is the area of the putting green? 56 feet.